I've had this Style Selection solar leaf in my garden for a month now. Is it actually weather resistant? Or does the solar panel give out after one rainstorm? Let's find out. Hey everyone, this is Pappaw, and welcome to All About It with Pappaw. I'd like to share with you my experiences with this Style Selections Monstera garden stake. Let's get into it. Here are the nitty-gritty details. This yard stake is 36 inches tall and is metal in a bronze finish. And let me get closer here. Yep, you can kind of see that there. As you can see here, let's go to the back, take a look at it. You can see here it's got a movable solar panel here that folds up and folds back down. And you can see from the back here, those are the little solar lights, the LED lights. They're soft glow, and you can see them up front here. You can see them there. There is no quoted runtime on exactly how long the lights will stay on once activated by the dusted on sensor. But in the month I've had this in my yard, I've never seen it go out, and I've checked on it 5+ hours after it comes on. The little solar panel on it folds up for storage if you want to put it away. Oh, and look, they just kicked on. Oh, and it turns back off. That's how late in the day it is. As you've seen, I've placed mine near my fence, as that really was the best place for it in my yard. If you choose to place it in a more walkable space, be aware that the solar panel on the back does seem to be fragile and may easily break off its mounting. If the wiring is still intact, it would definitely make it more challenging to charge the lights. However, if the wiring isn't intact, then it becomes a nice yard decoration without the lights. Well, that's my review of the Style Selections Monstera Solar Yard Stake. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this review and found it useful. If you did, tap the like button. If you want to see more like this, tap subscribe because there's new stuff every Thursday. Wrapping up, I'd love to hear what you think. Did you buy this decoration for your own home? Were you happy that you did? Please don't hesitate to tell me about it in the comments. I'm Papaw, and this has been All About It. See you soon.